How to get free items on Temu. First of all, visit Temu's website and sign up using the sign in or register button in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are inside the Temu, play the in-app games. Tap the U icon on the bottom center of the screen in the Temu app, then select Earn Free Gifts and Cash to be redirected to a list of minigames and referral promos. While these games appear legit, many of them require you to send a Temu referral link to your friends to progress. As you get closer to unlocking the prizes, Temu also makes it more and more challenging to reach your goal. Then apply coupon codes. View the coupons and offers page to see which deals Temu is offering at the time. Temu sometimes offer coupon bundles to new users. Open the daily gift box. In the app, tap on the U icon at the bottom center of the screen, followed by the messages and promotions button. Scroll through your promotions until you see a daily gift box promotion. Opening these free boxes can earn you special deals, promos, and even account credit. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.